you're doing too much, Miss Lady. But you can keep a secret, I won't tell. But if you don't pay him back, then in the form of letter mail, hubby's gon' know it all. The truth as well, you and the doc got feelings for each other, drama for real. From dress to stockings to heels, what you flaunt should be seen on movie reels while your spouse is ill. For real?
To me is the worst place to be, especially if Torvald Homer is suffocating me. So I'm here to repeat my main man Joseph as we put to a beat this tragic story. But please, Mr. Theater Teacher, don't you comprehend that the pretty Mrs. Linden Krogstad are just friends, and old man Dr. Rank must be on the smelly dank. Miss Nora, he likes to spank, and this rhyme is over, thank you.
Something don't feel right.